So I'll shoot a more formal video. This will be the clutch video. What I have here is a Fiore lightweight flywheel. This is for the LTG motor. You can see the Ecotec basically has a 8-bolt on the LTG. It's got an external ring gear that gets bolted on. It's a pretty serviceable part. Changeable wear surface, well recessed. The machining on this is pretty damn cool. Up next I have a factory clutch. Apparently this factory clutch is good for around 450 to 500 horsepower. So that's quite the recipe of what we want. That and an aftermarket clutch is damn hard to find, and I think it was 1,100 bucks because it was somewhat custom. And then finally we have the pressure plate. And this is one heavy stout piece. I think this weighs more than the flywheel. And so we can add that to the stack. And you can see, I would say this is probably close to 30 pounds, 40 pounds. So we're probably 50, 60, 70 pounds by the time it's all said and done. Doing some math on the pilot bearing. This is the part number that eventually I got. Problem is that thing is not made in North America. So using the micrometer, I've come up with an OD of 28 millimeters, a width of 26 millimeters, and an inside diameter of 15.35. The transmission itself is 15.21 on the input shaft. And it's 24.5 millimeters wide. So probably what I'm going to do is 15.21. We're going to give it some clearance. We'll probably actually get this down to 15.3, but ideally I want the bushing to move fairly freely and be used more for location. Ironically, there is not, this is the crappiest job GM has actually done on building up some parts. Looking to try and get the pilot bearing, I called the dealer. They don't see a pilot bearing. They didn't see a clutch. Worked like hell to find the clutch. So basically just measuring this, and then I've ordered a piece of marine bronze. And I'm going to bore it out to those specs. And maybe we'll do a video on that one. But check out my WordPress site for more info, or to subscribe. That's exportedafrican.com.